Nothing could be more destructive of our system of government, of the rule of law, or the Department of Justice as an institution than any toleration of political interference with the enforcement of the law.
My first job was in CIA.
It's a presumptuous thing for me to say, but I personally like you. I think you're a heck of an honorable guy. I think you're someone I can work with, and you've demonstrated that.
William Barr is just a lawyer's lawyer. That's all.
I, William P. Barr,
do solemnly swear.
Do solemnly swear.
If the president is viewed as doing something wrong, who investigates the person who chose the Attorney General?
Well, right now there's a statute to deal with that, and that's the independent counsel statute.
Do you favor that statute?
Not in its present form. I think that it lends itself to abuse because there are not proper controls in it and there's no provision for accountability.
President Bush's pardon of Caspar Weinberger and other Iran-Contra defendants undermines the principle that no man is above the law.
There's been, since Watergate, a depreciation of the importance of executive power. And executive power to our framers really meant something. They viewed it as a distinctive kind of power to deal with exigent circumstances that really weren't amenable to setting all the rules out in advance.
He will be nominated for the United States Attorney General. He was my first choice from day one.
Republican-appointed judge on Tuesday said you have, quote, created an environment that has caused a significant part of the American public to be concerned about these redactions. So what do you say to people on both sides of the aisle who are concerned that you are trying to protect the president?
I'm not sure what your basis is for saying that I'm being generous to the president. So I decided to simply state what the bottom line conclusions were. Is there a crime or isn't there a crime? We prepared the letter for that purpose, to state the bottom line conclusions.
This letter was an extraordinary act. A career prosecutor rebuking the Attorney General of the United States, memorializing in writing.
The letter's a bit snitty, and I think it was probably written by one of his staff people.
Did anyone, either you or anyone on your staff, memorialize your conversation with Robert Mueller?
Yes.
May we have those notes?
No.